Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my 5-minute makeup routine that I usually wear nowadays whenever I have to step out or if I'm going for a walk. So if you guys are interested in how I do that, then keep on watching. So this is literally going to be 5 minutes. If you watched my previous video, I'm going to link it right here, where I mentioned that the only products I really need are my mascara and my blush. So that's literally what I'm going to be doing today. So I usually start off with my brows. I don't do too much with my brows just because my brows are pretty full already. So I just kind of give them a little bit more shape. So I just draw a line under my natural brow. And then I take the spoolie end and I brush sideways and upwards. And then I do the same to the other brow. Sideways and then upwards. Now that I've done my brows, I'm gonna moisturize my face a little bit. I'm literally out of this product, but I love this so much. This is like so near and dear to my heart. This is the Etime Blog Body Butter. And this stuff is absolutely amazing, guys. Like, I literally just like lathered my whole body in it. It gives you such a natural glow. Like, you need this in your life. So I'm literally scraping the jar. I'm gonna take this brush, just take a little bit, just dab it on my face. I'm gonna rub that in. Like, if you ever see me outside and you see my skin glowing, it's this. Alright, now that the face and the brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush. So my favorite blush to use is the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry Amore. I'm going to put it on the apples of my cheeks and I'm going to work it a little bit upwards because I'm not going to contour. And I usually just build it up until I feel like it's enough, and I put a little bit on my nose just to give myself a little bit of like fresh face. Alright, now that I've blushed, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. So my go-to Marc mascara. I feel like this mascara gives me a very natural full lash. And then I get my lower lashes. And I'm gonna go in with the tip of my wand and separate all my lashes. Since I'm already pretty glowy, I don't usually put on any highlighter, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna add just a little dabble. I'm gonna dip into my Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey. Just a little bit. Like I said, I'm already pretty glowy. And then I'm going to take my ring finger and put a tiny little bit on my nose. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with my Glosses by CK Lip Gloss. Pause, please. Let me put on some earrings so you can get the full effect. Would you believe me if I told you that these are also the earrings that I wear every time I leave the house? Earrings on. I'm going to take my Jelly Soft curls and sleek my hair back a little bit. And that is it. Alright guys, I hope you liked my 5-minute natural glowy look. I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you try this look. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.